For your science notebook this week, I kind of changed the layout a little bit. That's why it looks a little funny, only because your first page, I needed to include a reading, and if I did it the other way, it got all distorted. So this way you can read it properly. So you're going to read this little passage here, and then you have a few questions that you're going to fill out on the next slide based off of that passage. Okay? I will encourage you to use part of the question in your answer. So you will say the measurement of low or high sound is called blank. The measurement of low or soft sound is called blank. So that's how you're going to be answering those, not just a single word. Okay? On Tuesday, you're going to be reading this passage here. And what's really cool about this site is it has an option where you can listen to the passage. So your students are welcome to do that as well. On Wednesday, you're going to watch a short movie. My students have watched the eye version of this movie. So now we're going to watch the ears version of this movie. And then they are going to complete this diagram. You are more than welcome to print out this diagram and fill it out on paper if you want to. If you're wanting to do that, the easiest way to do it is to go File. Sorry, I'm just going to look for Print right here. Then you're going to, under Pages, you're going to select Custom, and then you're going to type in the page that you want. So if you look over here, that's slide 6. So you're going to type in that you only want slide 6, and it would only print out slide 6. Okay, so you're more than welcome to print that off and upload a picture for me if you prefer to do it on paper. And I've also included down here a little link to the answer key. So if you're wanting to check over your work, you can do it that way as well. If you want to do it online, I've left little text boxes here so you can type in the words that are all down here in the word bank. And then lastly, there is a word search that you get to do on Friday. Again, you can print this off and do it that way. That's probably your best bet. You can also, if you want to, you can click on the text box feature, go over top of what you want to highlight. That's obviously not a word, but you would do it that way. And then you're going to click this little like fill color one in, and you could do it like a highlighter color. It's going to cover up the words that way, but if you look at the answer key, you're going to see where those boxes are, and you're going to know what letters are underneath them. So that's a way that you could check it also. So there you go. That's your science for the week.